Hello, it's Emilia here. Welcome to a new video tutorial featuring products from Little Birdie Crafts. Today I will be altering two small MDF cartwheels that I want to turn into gift tags. In the video I will show you how to create gorgeous stamped leaves and how to create nice texture on your project. I'm starting with painting the wheels with white gesso. I use ordinary kitchen sponge cut into small pieces to cover my elements, dabbing gently. This way you will cover them very well with only one layer. To speed up drying time you can use a heat tool. And to paint the cutout areas I'm using brush, trying to actually remove the excess of the gesso. Then to paint I want these places to be much darker than the front. When the gesso is dry, I'm adding a thin layer of grainy texture paste. I'm applying it with a palette knife, and I'm not trying to make the layer even, but just adding the paste here and there. Next, I can paint the wheels. One wheel I'm going to make blue and the other one pink. Again, I will not be applying one even coat, but adding more and less paint for shabby chic result. While the paint is drying, I'm going to create gorgeous leaves for my floral compositions. I took Little Birdie stamp and die set that has many beautiful leaves, and I'm going to stamp the leaves on watercolor paper using archival ink. Then I will ink the leaves green. You can use one or more shades of green, and then I will die cut the leaves. I find it easier to ink the leaves before die cutting, but of course you can also die cut them first and then add the color. I must say that I just love these leaves, and they have a really nice size, which will be great also for card making, because they, with the flowers, they just look amazing. When you use dies with stamps, you will see that the die cut have a little outline. If you rather have them without it, you can also cut out this with scissors. I don't mind the outline, but I know that some people don't like it, so these are quite easy shapes to cut out with scissors. To decorate the wheels, I will use Little Birdie flowers. Please check the description box below the video if you would like to know exactly which products I'm using. I also have pieces of cheesecloth and pieces of lace. I really like making small compositions. I usually start with some texture, then I add flowers and leaves, starting with the biggest and then filling the gaps with the smallest. finish off my tags, I added a string on the top. Now I will be able to attach them to the gifts. I will also add a little bit of glitter here and there, and splashes of white acrylic paint mixed with water. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know what do you think about the video in the comment, and I hope to see you soon. For more inspirations, please visit Little Birdie Crafts Facebook page. Take care everyone. Bye!